Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're just going to be opening this little bag that I got from Amazon, checking out the two little electronic items that I picked up for my computer. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, guys? How's it going? And gals. So, just going to open this Amazon package real quick. I picked this up from Amazon, a couple items. I needed some items for one of my laptops. Bag is empty. So I've actually shown this on the channel before a while back. This J5Create USB 3.0 7-port hub. I don't remember how long ago I showed this on the channel. I got it quite a bit ago. I actually have this unit on my Xbox. My Xbox One S Gears of War edition. It is a little messy and dusty, but it is this guy right here. Need to dust again. But, you know, I live in Arizona. There's lots of dust every time I open the door. It's kind of hard to get away from it, but, you know, so I picked up another one of these. This I'm going to be plugging into my laptop. This one is a really small, I think, 4-port version from Anker. USB 3.0 data hub. Both of these are going to be used on one of my laptops. I might be using this one, depending on which one I like better for what I wanted them for. Will depend on which one I use more, but doesn't ever hurt to have extras of little units like this. I do like that there's no waste. On the Anker, the box is really nice and tiny. It's just big enough for the item. This guy is a slim little compact little guy. 4-port. It's tiny. I grabbed this one because it's got the extended length cable. That's something that I really like. This guy is what? Can't be very thick at all. It's 3/8 thick. It's pretty small. This J5Create just showed you it's on the Xbox. I really like these. The one reason I like this is because it's got one at the very end, which will come in handy when it's sitting on a table with a laptop, which is mainly why I grabbed it. I usually have my USB Wi-Fi plugged in, my Asus Wi-Fi modem plugged in, this little guy right here. And I was thinking to run, instead of, because this thing is really wide, it actually stops me from using the other USB port right here. I was thinking of running the cable on the back and sitting that 7-port here on the back and then plugging it into the end port. That's why I picked this one up. I just don't know if this cable is going to be long enough, which is why I also grabbed this one. This one was 14 bucks. This one was 39. The J5Create ones are a little bit more pricey. They are definitely well worth it though. This one actually does come with the wall adapter if you want to use it. And it's got one of those clip-on style pins for the adapter, the wall adapter. See how it ain't got nothing on it. Here's the plug. See, slide this in. It locks these prongs against the plug. And then this guy right here. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the front. It's got one on the side. So my idea, and if I remember correctly, this cable's pretty long. I do use this plug on the one for the Xbox, but looks like this cable should be long enough that I could just, because you can use this two ways. You can use it powered or just with this plug right here. So you can power this unit with just this cable. It's not going to be it will not work as well. This is also a metal cage. This cage is actually metal. This one is actually, how thick is this one? This one is a little over a ½ inch thick, maybe 1/32 or so. Thicker than ½ inch. So this cable is pretty long. I think it's like a 3 foot, 2.5 foot, 3 foot, something like that. See how long it is. So my plan is to plug this cable in here, run the cable to the back like that, and then this unit will be, I could just put you guys on the laptop, plug it in basically like this. And then plug this guy, the Wi-Fi unit, in here on this end so it sits flat on the back. And this cable's pretty long, so I actually could shorten this cable a little bit. Like that. Should be fine to do it like that. Or I can use the other unit, which is this little guy right here, and I can plug this guy in and it would run the Wi-Fi stick out the side. So I'm not too sure it would run the Wi-Fi stick to the back. Not too sure which one I'm gonna want to use. Probably the other one, I don't know at the moment, but they're both nice little units. They're both USB 3.0. Just a quick little video. I do really like this one. I will probably buy a third one because I like this one so much. Could always plug it into my one of my older Toshiba gaming laptops that sits on the desk. This cable is nice and thick. I've never had any issues with it. Compared to this cable's kind of thin. You can see the size difference. Definitely a huge size difference between them. This one's definitely got plastic casing. This one's got an aluminum casing. But all in all, they're nice. I like that it comes with the plug, the unit, the other plug. And that is, I use the power adapter on this one because it's running hard drives. That's why I have this, because I have like 60 terabytes worth of space on my Xbox because I have 5 hard drives plugged into it. But all in all, just a quick video, guys. Nothing extremely special or fancy. Just a couple little USB hubs. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also have an Ulsa Tools link down below to get you 10% off your order on ulsatools.com. And I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, all the people that watch the channel, whether you're subscribed or not. I want to say thank you to all the people that use the affiliate links, that do watch the commercials every once in a while, because the channel is paying for things now, and it is much appreciated. Appreciate you guys sticking around and hanging out with me and growing with me. Hopefully there'll be lots of advancements in my videos coming to the future. Looking to pick up from Tempe Camera, looking to pick up a DSLR as well as I'm going to be bringing the new Hero 9 to the channel, as well as some accessories for that. So take a look out for that. Some of the tools that the channel has paid for in the last couple months, last about 4 or 5 months now. Milwaukee M18 switch tanks, got 2 of those. The new Makita 18 volt hammer drill and impact driver. The new 40 volt Makita tools that are coming to the channel, as well as a lot of the DeWalt 12 volt extreme tools, and some actual other Milwaukee tools, including a rotary SDS plus hammer, or an SDS rotary hammer. Takes SDS plus bits and chisels and stuff. I do appreciate you guys' time. Hope your guys' day is going well, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!